If you are planning to visit hill station in India, then you have tremendous opportunity to visit Darjeeling, West Bengal, India. Darjeeling is a picturesque hill station and town located in the Indian state of West Bengal. It is situated in the Lesser Himalayas at an elevation of around 6,700 feet, 2,050 meters, above sea level. The Darjeeling district, which includes the town of Darjeeling as well as its surrounding areas, covers a much larger area. The total area of the Darjeeling district is approximately 3,149 square kilometers, 1,216 square miles. Known for its stunning landscapes, tea gardens, and colonial-era architecture, Darjeeling has been a popular tourist destination for decades. Darjeeling is renowned for its high-quality tea, often referred to as Darjeeling tea. The region's tea plantations are spread across the hillsides and contribute significantly to the local economy. The history of tea cultivation in Darjeeling dates back to the mid-19th century when the British established tea gardens in the region. The unique climate, altitude, and soil conditions of Darjeeling contribute to the distinct flavor and aroma of Darjeeling tea. Darjeeling tea has been granted Geographical Indication (GI) status, which means that only tea produced in the Darjeeling region can be labeled and sold as authentic Darjeeling tea. Many of these tea estates offer guided tours to visitors, allowing them to explore the tea gardens, learn about the tea making process, and even participate in plucking tea leaves. Tourists often get a glimpse into the intricate process of withering, rolling, oxidation, and drying that transforms freshly plucked tea leaves into the final product. The tea plantations are set against the backdrop of the majestic Himalayas, creating a stunning visual experience. The terraced hillsides covered in tea bushes are a sight to behold, attracting photographers, nature enthusiasts, and travelers. The Himalayan Mountaineering Institute, HMI, is a prestigious mountaineering training institute located in Darjeeling, West Bengal, India. Established on 4 November 1954 by the Indian government, the institute holds a significant place in the world of mountaineering and adventure sports. Its primary focus is on training mountaineers, promoting adventure sports, and fostering a spirit of exploration and adventure. HMI offers a range of mountaineering courses catering to both beginners and experienced climbers. The courses cover essential skills such as rock climbing, ice climbing, rope work, navigation, and survival techniques. In addition to mountaineering, HMI also offers training in other adventure sports like trekking, skiing, and high-altitude rescue techniques. Himalayan Railway, often affectionately referred to as the toy train, is a narrow-gauge railway line that runs between Siliguri and Darjeeling in the Indian state of West Bengal. It is a UNESCO heritage site and is renowned for its historic significance, engineering marvels, and scenic beauty. The DHR was established during the British colonial era as a means of transportation for the tea produced in the Darjeeling region. Construction began in the late 19th century, and the railway was opened in segments, with the full line to Darjeeling completed in 1881. The train journey on the DHR offers passengers stunning views of the Himalayan mountains, valleys, tea gardens, and charming hillside villages. The picturesque landscape and quaint railway stations along the route make the journey a memorable experience. Tiger Hill is a famous viewpoint located near Darjeeling in West Bengal. It is renowned for offering one of the most stunning sunrise views in the region, especially of the Himalayan mountain range. Visitors flock to this viewpoint early in the morning to witness the sun rising over the Himalayas. On clear days, you can see the majestic peaks of Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, and other prominent mountains in the range. This hill is situated at an elevation of about 8,500 feet, 2,590 meters, above sea level. The Batasia Loop is a unique and fascinating railway engineering feat located near Darjeeling in the Indian state of West Bengal. It is a spiral loop of the Darjeeling Himalayan Railway (DHR) and serves as both a functional part of the railway track and a popular tourist attraction. The Batasia Loop is a loop on the DHR track that has been designed in a spiral pattern. It allows the narrow-gauge toy train to gain elevation in a relatively short distance by making a circular loop around itself. It is situated about 5 kilometers from Darjeeling town and is strategically positioned to offer panoramic views of the surrounding landscape, including the majestic Kanchenjunga mountain range. The Peace Pagoda, also known as a stupa, is a spiritual monument that promotes peace and harmony. It's a type of Buddhist structure that is often built in places of natural beauty and cultural significance. There are several peace pagodas around the world, including in Darjeeling, India. Peace pagodas are constructed as symbols of world peace, unity among different cultures and religions, and a call for non-violence. They are intended to inspire people to work towards peace and promote understanding among different communities. The Peace Pagoda in Darjeeling is located on the slopes of the Jal Pahad, offering panoramic views of the surrounding hills, tea gardens, and Himalayan range. The Peace Pagoda in Darjeeling not only has spiritual significance but also offers breathtaking views of Himalayas and town of Darjeeling. The serene surroundings make it an ideal spot for reflection and relaxation. The Padmaja Naidu Himalayan Zoological Park, often referred to as Darjeeling Zoo, is a popular zoological park located in Darjeeling, West Bengal. It was established in 1958 and named after Padmaja Naidu, the daughter of Sarojini Naidu, who was a freedom fighter and a former governor of West Bengal. Park is situated adjacent to the Himalayan Mountaineering Institute. Visitors can combine a visit to the zoo with exploring the mountaineering history and artifacts in the institute. Darjeeling is not only known for its stunning natural beauty and cultural attractions, but also for its vibrant local markets that offer a wide variety of goods, handicrafts, and local products. Darjeeling and its surrounding areas offer a range of adventure activities that cater to outdoor enthusiasts and adventure seekers. Like trekking, whitewater rafting, mountain biking, paragliding, rock climbing and rappelling, camping, zip lining, jeep safari, hot air balloon rides, river crossing, as well as nature walks.